Hello friends and welcome to Gradeup. I wish you a very good afternoon from the team at Gradeup, which is determined to give you all the latest things that are possible for a student who is preparing for CLAT 2020 and other law entrance examination for the year 2020. So myself, Surajit, is going to take this session where we are planning to discuss some passage-based questions on legal reasoning. Okay, friends, I guess you guys are all preparing for your CLAT entrance examination, and I guess that your preparation is going in a fantastic manner as far as possible. So today we are going to discuss in today's class some important legal reasoning question for those who are preparing for CLAT 2020. These questions are all passage based questions. These questions are on the new format of CLAT 2020 and these are all passage based questions. Am I clear, friends? Okay. So good evening everyone, good afternoon everyone. Welcome to Gradeup, and we start with today's class where we discuss some very important passage based questions. Okay. So before we start answering the question, this is a slide which is going to tell you that we are today discussing on the sample paper that CLAT has released. 5 new pattern questions. That is what we are going to discuss today. Now read. What is the direction given before the passage starts? Each set of questions in this section is based on reasoning and arguments of facts and principles set out in the preceding passage. Some of these principles may not be true in real and legal sense. Yet you must conclusively assume that they are true for the purpose of this section. Please answer each question on the basis of what is stated or implied in the corresponding passage. Do not rely on any principle of law other than the one supplied to you, and do not assume any facts other than those supplied to you when answering the questions. In some instances, more than one options may be correct to the questions. In such cases, please choose the option that most accurately and comprehensively answers the question. Am I clear? So this is the direction. So please understand this, friends. So there might be a question where you have 2 correct answers. But then you have to choose which one is a better answer than the other. Am I clear? Did you understand what I'm trying to say? Okay. Am I clear? Any doubt? Okay. Okay. So we start with this passage. Read the passage very carefully. Read this passage very carefully. Okay. I will give you exactly 2 minutes to read this passage. Read this passage very carefully, friends. Read this passage very carefully. Okay. Now read the next part of the passage. Okay. This is the second slide. Read it very carefully. So after you are done reading with the passage, let me know. A couple of you have already said yes, done, done, done. Okay, I'm waiting. There are around 122 people who are watching me live right now. There are 122 people watching me right now. So, okay, done. Fantastic, fantastic. So, how many of you are done? Tell me by clicking on the like button. So if you click on the like button, I will see how many likes are there, and thereafter I will think how many people are done with reading this passage. Just how many of you are done? The attendance of the class from now onwards will be taken by clicking on the like button. So click the like button right now so that I can understand how many of you are done. Okay? Okay, fantastic. Just click on the like button so that I can see how many of you have liked it. Okay, there are just 71 people who have liked it. Okay, so there are 120 watching. So 30, around 50 people are still reading the passage. I will just wait for them. Okay, okay, fantastic. Now, here is your first question. Based on the information in the given passage, can Pasikaka be convicted of rash and negligent driving under the Indian Penal Code? Am I clear? Am I clear? Whether the person who was allegedly, the facts talk about a person getting drunk with not alcohol but under the influence of something that is alike to alcohol, but it's a medicine, okay, BG chemicals or something like that. Am I clear? So based on the information, whether Pisikaka can be convicted of rash and negligent driving. What is the answer? Should he be convicted of rash and negligent driving? See, no. Option A says no, since it would be more appropriate to convict him under the Maharashtra Prohibition Act. What is the question? Indian Penal Code. They are asking you a direct question. Can this person be convicted of rash and negligent driving under the Indian Penal Code? Now, option 8 is talking about Maharashtra Prohibition Act. Let's come to option C. Since he knocked down three people while he was asleep. But now, during the trial, a neighborhood watchman, an independent witness, testified that he was driving at an ordinary speed, exercising adequate care. Am I clear? Am I clear? He was driving at an ordinary speed, exercising adequate care. Am I clear? So option A is also not there. Option C is also not there. Let's come to option D. No, since the people had suddenly stepped out of their paths to the jeep and the fault was there, not Picasso's. It is nowhere relevant. The correct answer is no, since he was not driving rashly and negligently. Am I clear? Option B is the correct answer. Am I clear? Did you understand? A lot of people have given me the correct answer as B. So congratulations to all of you who have given me that correct answer. Congratulations. Very good. Okay. B. B is the correct answer. Okay. Now let's go to question number 2. Yes, tell me what is the correct answer. Now suppose this person had consumed some alcohol and he was found to be under the influence of alcohol at the time of the incident. Now the question is, could that person be convicted of rash and negligent driving under the Indian Penal Code? The answer is yes. The answer is absolutely yes. Option A and D and C are nowhere. But here is an yes, here is an yes. So we have to choose between these two, either B or D, right? Whether the answer is B or whether the answer is D. So let's see. Option B. Yes, since drunken driving is an offense under the Indian Penal Code. Okay, good. Option D says, since a person driving with under the influence of alcohol is likely to cause harm or injury to other person. So this option D happens to be a better explanation than just option B. D provides explanation, wherein B just says that it's an offense under the Indian Penal Code. Of course, it's an offense under the Indian Penal Code, but option D explains that if a person is under the influence of alcohol, there is a likelihood that because of him being under the influence of alcohol, he can injure or cause injury to other person. Am I clear? Am I clear? B and D both are correct answers. B and D both are correct answers. But option D is providing more explanation. Not that the fact that B says, yes, because drunken driving is an offense under the Indian Penal Code. Very well, it is. But option D provides a better answer than B. Am I clear? Am I clear? Okay. Okay, fantastic, fantastic, fantastic. Okay, we move to question number 3. Now, the question number 3 simply says, based on the information in the given passage, can Pisi Kaka be convicted of the Maharashtra Prohibition Act? Okay, whether it is yes or no, let's go to the facts. Okay, now read this part. It prohibits import, export, transport, manufacture, sale, purchase, possession, use or consumption of an intoxicant except in accordance with the terms and conditions of a license granted under the act. Am I clear? Am I clear, friends? Now, here is a person who was smelling of alcohol because he had consumed BG Pro's, a health tonic. Is a health tonic alcohol? Is it? Now, the Maharashtra Prohibition Act prohibits import, export, transport, manufacture, sale, purchase, possession, use or consumption of an intoxicant. Now, is a health drink an alcohol? Is health drink an alcohol? Am I clear? So, so, so which is the correct answer? So this, yes, C and D gets over. So this is not there, this is not there. Is option A correct or option B correct? Tell me. BG4's is a health tonic. It is not alcohol. So the Maharashtra Prohibition Act does not extend to medical preparation. It only is applicable to alcohol or intoxicant. Am I clear? It is only applicable to intoxicants like alcohol. Am I clear? Are you understanding? Did you understand, friends? Am I clear? Am I clear, friends? Okay. Question number 4. Read the fact that I have underlined, that I have highlighted to you. Now, if Article 19 is amended to allow state legislature to pass law relating to consumption of medical preparation. So if this, that means the state can make laws with respect to consumption of medical preparation. If state can make laws with regards to consumption of medical preparation, can Pikasasa, Pisikaka be convicted under the Maharashtra Prohibition Act? That's a precise question. The answer is yes, he will be. If Maharashtra Prohibition Act is applicable to medical preparation also, then Pisikaka will be held responsible. Am I clear? Did you understand? So option A goes and option D goes. Let's see. Yes, both these things. Yes, since BYJU'S could be considered an intoxicant and he did not have the license, have the necessary license. Okay, very good. Option C says yes, but only if Pisikaka did not apply for license under the Maharashtra Prohibition Act. No, absolutely. So the correct answer is option B, because if Maharashtra Prohibition Act is applicable to alcohol, if Maharashtra Prohibition Act is applicable to alcohol, since Pisikaka did not had the necessary license to drink or to possess or to consume that preparation, then is applicable to medical preparation. If Maharashtra Prohibition Act is applicable to medical preparation, then the fact that Pisikaka did not have the necessary license will make him convicted under the Maharashtra Prohibition Act. Am I clear? See, if Article 19 of the Constitution is amended, now understand this. If Article 19 of the Constitution is amended and allows state legislature to pass laws relating to consumption of medical preparation, and the fact that if a medical preparation has alcohol, you require license, you require the permission to consume that, then since BYJU'S could be considered an intoxicant, it will be considered as an intoxicant and not as a medical preparation if there is an amendment to allow medical preparation to come under the Maharashtra Prohibition Act. Am I clear? Am I clear? Am I clear, friends? Okay. So the correct answer to this question is option B. Option B. Question number 5. even science students can definitely sit for this CLAT exam and other entrance examination. There is no prohibition or an embargo that a science student cannot sit for a law entrance examination. Am I clear? Okay, okay. What is section 279? Let's go to the question. Section 279 of the Indian Penal Code defines the offence of rash and negligent driving, which says, whosoever drives any vehicle or rides any public way in a manner so rash or negligent to endanger human life or is likely to cause harm or injury to a person shall be punished with imprisonment. So this is section 279 of the Indian Penal Code, section 279 IPC. Am I clear? Okay. Now let's go to the question. Which of the following, if true, would strengthen the case of Pisi Kaka's conviction under section 279 of the Indian Penal Code? Option A says the Maharashtra Prohibition Act has been declared to be constitutionally valid even though it regulates the use of medical preparation. Of course not. Many people walk around at night in the areas where Pisi Kaka lived. Where is it? How is it related? BG4 is a weak tonic and is not proven to have any major health benefits. Does it matter? PC Kaka was unaware that the brakes of the jeep were faulty but had not bothered repairing him. If this happens, this would strengthen the case of Piki Sasa's conviction. If he knew, if PC Kaka knew that his brakes were faulty, but even then he did not bother repairing them, he would be convicted for rash and negligent driving. Am I clear? So your correct answer is option D. Option D is the correct answer. Am I clear? Am I clear? Did you understand, friends? So the question says, which of the following, if true, would strengthen the case of PC Kaka's conviction? PC Kaka's conviction under section 279. Now section 279 talks about rash and negligent driving. Now option A, B are irrelevant. C is also irrelevant. Whether BG4, that medical drug, has a major health benefit or not a major health benefit, it doesn't matter. For someone, alcohol is good for health. For someone, it is bad for health. Suppose a person drinks alcohol because it is good for his health, but he meets up with an accident. Will he be saying tomorrow that just because alcohol is good for my health, I have a right to drink alcohol and drive? Of course not. Am I clear? Am I clear? Did you understand, friends? Am I clear? If you have understood, just give me a thumbs up. Okay? Did you understand, friends? So up on your screen is the CLAT YouTube schedule, friends. Up on your screen is the CLAT YouTube schedules. At every day at 2 o'clock we have legal reasoning class, and at 6 o'clock every day, Monday to Friday, we have general awareness classes. Please take a click of this so that you do not miss on the CLAT YouTube schedule, which we are having classes free of cost to students who are preparing for CLAT 2020 in our Gradeup CLAT channel, okay? In our CLAT channel of Gradeup. Friends, we have also brought a Target Law 2020, a score up course. We have already launched a very important crash course called Target Law 2020, a score up course, which will provide 100 plus live classes, interactive quizzes, 3000 plus practice question, 12 mocks, around topic wise quizzes and PDFs for revision, which is also going to cover the current affairs and legal knowledge. Okay, so in case you want to join this course, please do it fast, because CLAT exam is banging up at your door. It's there and your door. So you cannot right now afford to waste time. Start preparing for it. So in case those of you who are interested for Target Law 2020, please start the free trial. We have already given the Gradeup is already showing in the chat message that what is this. So you can just click on that URL that is up there, which will take you to the free classes. Okay, so there are a lot of free classes that we are also conducting at Gradeup. So join Target Law 2020, a score up course. Thank you very, very much. If you have liked the session, if you have liked this session, do like the session, do subscribe to our channel, as well as press the bell icon so that you do not miss on notifications on further important classes. Okay, so definitely do not forget to press the bell icon so that you do not miss on the notification. Thank you very, very much. God bless you. Thank you.